All right, what up, everybody, and welcome back to Weststock TV. And guess whose project car is starting to become a project? You might be wondering what's up with this stick holding the car. Well, I was at the gas station earlier today and decided to stop and get some gas. And on the way out, I tried to crank the car, put it in drive, and yeah. So I got no motion. I think the linkage cable from the shifter link cable from here to the transmission, I believe it is either snapped or the little plastic bushings that are in it might have just dry rotted and broke. So I just took all of this out yesterday, fixing this HVAC. So it's time to get this console back out, and it's gonna be yet again 10mm screws or 4 10mm bolts in there. This comes out, and it's two T15 Torx bits in there and one behind there. So it's time to do some work. Alright, so apologize for all this beeping, but these two 10mm bolts right here, after you pop this out, 2 more 10mm bolts there, followed by 15 T15 screw here, a T15 screw here, and when you pop that off, it's one right here. After that, all of this should pop off. This will pull off first. So let me go ahead and get this going. I'm running out of daylight here, so I'll be right back. It was getting kind of dark in there, so I went ahead and took the roof off. So this is for y'all, not for me. But you got 4 10mm bolts holding this plate in, and then you'll be able to lift this up and see where the shift cable is and if it is in fact broken. So let me go ahead and get these bolts out real quick. Alright, to get to this last bolt, this little cable right here, which moves when you hit this button, but you gotta lift that up. If you can see that goofy little thing to the right of it, that's kind of sitting inside of the main thing. Whatever it is, but this little piece, the little tab sticking out, you got to pry that out, and then you lift this whole piece up and slide it over, and that's how you can reach this last bolt. All of that. But let me go ahead and get this out, and it should lift up. So wherever I left off, I took this part apart to check the linkage. It wasn't broke right there. So I gotta lift it up, and now I'll be able to show you where it's actually broken at. But lift it up in the middle, got some jack stands right there. But let me slide under here and I can show you exactly where it's broken at. And I got some bushings to replace it, but just come under here. And you look up, and what do you have here? This is supposed to be connected to that little silver thing right there. If I can focus it a little bit more. Yeah, that should be on that. So it's a little bushing, plastic bushing that's supposed to be in here to hold onto that. So I went and got some little bushings. Let me get it out from under this car real quick. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. But I went and got these little bushings from Advanced Auto. Work for me. There you go. But I'm gonna try to snap these in and I have to shift this back into neutral, I believe, so the cable will be at the right spot to be able to reach where I gotta hook it up at. But I'm gonna try that and then let you know what I got. Alright, so after being up till 3 in the morning trying to get this thing put together, we can finally shift gears again. Long time coming. Long time coming. Alright, y'all. Finally got it fixed. And got a new battery too. But all it was a bushing sort of like this that goes on the linkage, but it was way in the back. Like, it was about here, but on the transmission, like right over here. So this bushing, what was supposed to be there, wasn't there anymore. So the cable popped off of the transmission. So $8 to get these. Worked all night. I think it was like 3 in the morning by the time I actually finished it. But finally got it, everything hooked back up. Got a new battery in here. So let's go ahead and so we're good on that end. Shifts into reverse, neutral, drive. And I'm back rolling.